Wow, this hotel looks beautiful.
Yes, it's very bright and clean.
I like this place. It looks expensive.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello, we need a room for 4 people.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we came suddenly.
We had a problem at home.
We had a problem at home.
There was a mouse!
Oh, I understand.
Let me check for you. Yes, we have a family room.
Is the room clean and safe?
Of course, ma'am.
Are there any bugs or mice? No, everything is very clean.
Does it have a bathroom?
Yes, a full bathroom.
Sure.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, there is.
Let's go check it out.
Yes, and a big one.
Here are your key cards.
Room 502.
Thank you very much. Tispo May.
I'm so tired. Me too.
Let's go upstairs.
Where is the elevator?
Over there.
Let's press the button. It's not moving. Why is it not working?
Let me try.
Oh, I forgot to scan the card.
Dad? You need the card first.
Oh, right. Oh, right.
Good job, Anna.
We are going up! I feel sleepy.
Just a little more. Ha.
Stay together.
Floor 5.
Here we are. Room 502.
Open the door. Beep. Error.
It's not opening. Still not working.
Where is the key card?
Wait, where is it?
Dad? Did you lose it?
I don't know.
Check your pockets.
Oh no. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Stay calm, everyone. We will fix this. We will fix this.
What if we can't get in?
I'm so tired.
I'm sorry. This is my fault.
It's okay. We solve problems together.
Let's go back to the front desk.
Okay.
Oh, you lost your key?
Yes, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
No problem.
Here is a new card.
Thank you.
Let's try again.
Opened. Finally!
See? Everything is okay.
We stay calm and solve problems together.